My name is Saad and this is my science fair project. This is called Which Surface Creates the Most Friction? My big question is which surface will create the most friction to stop a toy car the earliest? My hypothesis is that the reference surface will stop the toy car the earliest because it has more friction. Let's talk about friction. Friction is a surface that slows things down when rubbed on each other. Like when you go ice skating, the skate has less friction which allows you to glide. When you're on a highway driving, the tires rub against the road which makes you move forward. Another good example is when you rub your hands together. When you rub them, you can feel heat, and you can even feel the heat as you put it on your cheeks. Let's talk about the procedure I took to make. Let's talk about the materials that I used for my science project. Okay, so first we chose a toy car. We had some issues because some were too light, some were too heavy, some had rubber wheels going off the side, but this was a perfect one. It goes down the stem. Then we have the measuring tape we will be using this to measure how far that car goes. And then we got other materials. First we have a lamp. Then we have this mat and rubber. Then we have a hardwood frame. So now let's talk about the procedure I would take to do this experiment. Step 1. Put the kite on top of your lamp. I have my sister here, Faiza, to help me measure and put the tape. Faiza, say hi. Hi. It's 4'4". Okay, we're doing our review surface next.
Two foot 1.5 inches, or 25 inches, 0.5.
So to conclude, my hypothesis was correct. The car stopped on the map the quickest because it has the least amount of friction, and on the concrete, the fastest. On the concrete, the slowest it stopped because it has the less. So to conclude, my hypothesis was correct. The car stops on the concrete the earliest because it has the most friction, and on the concrete, the slowest it stopped because it has the least friction.